And now we're going to make a little airplane with a propeller and wheels. For that we have a black 160, plated leaving about a 5-inch tail, a yellow 260 with about a 4-inch tail. We're going to start with our black, and we're going to make a couple of small pieces. What you want to do is make about a 2-inch bubble, about a 1/2-inch bubble, make that into an ear twist, another 1/2-inch bubble, make that into an ear twist as well, and then you want another 2-inch bubble, same size as that one over there. Sometimes you can just lay it along there and find out where you want it. Now we're going to take and separate this excess that we have here, making sure to save that. We'll need that, so tie that off. Come back and tie off this end here. This will be our propeller. We'll set that piece aside. Now we want to take and make about a 3/4 inch bubble, another 3/4 inch bubble, grab the knot, spin that around. Now a little 1/2-inch bubble, make it into an ear twist. Now you want to take this remaining piece, and where you've got this little double here, go around that. Helps if you soften it a little bit sometimes, till you get back to the ear twist, and then go around that ear twist once or twice. Now you want to make about an 1.5 to 2-inch bubble. Make another 1.5 to 2-inch bubble. Now we're going to repeat the same thing that we made for our wheel, so we'll make about a 3/4 inch bubble, followed by a second one, twist those together, a 1/2-inch bubble, make that into an ear twist, and if you let go of that, that's okay, because you can find that middle again, and then go around that again, just like we did our other for the wheel. Now take what we've got left over, and we're going to want to save this end. So make sure you've got a little piece left over. Tie that off. We'll save that. And then secure this in here. So there's our 2 wheels. We'll come back to those in a moment. Now we're going to take our 260 yellow. We're going to make a little tulip twist on the end. So take your knot and nozzle. Try to get it where it's on the very end of your finger. Push it in about to the first knuckle. And then you're going to reach through the balloon, grabbing the knot. Pull your finger back out so you're holding the knot. Now twist behind the knot 2 or 3 times to secure that, so that you have a little tulip twist on the end. Now we're going to take our propeller and make sure you keep the knot behind those ear twists as you twist that tulip twist on the opposite side of the propeller, so that now we've got that positioned where you've got your 2 propellers, one on either side, your tulip twist in the front, your 2 ear twists securing, and then you want your knot from that tulip twist to be behind these 2 ear twists so it's secured in place. Soften it a little bit. Now make about an 1.5 inch bubble. Make a little larger bubble, this time about a 1-inch bubble. Make that into an ear twist. Make another bubble about the same size, also making that an ear twist, so we now have 2 ear twists. Now you're going to want to kind of gauge and make sure that you don't run out of balloon. So make about a 4, no more than a 4.5 inch bubble there. Double back alongside it, same size as our first wing. Now it helps if you lay these alongside each other for the next, because you want to make another wing the same size as that. So lay it alongside it so you can figure out about where to make your twist here. And then make the other half of our wing there. Now you want to position the 2 ear twists opposite each other, one on top, one on bottom, and I'll face them that way. One will make our cockpit, the other will be to secure our wheels. Now with what you have left, I'll take and twist about an 1.5 inch fuselage. What I've got left over, squeeze it out to the end, pull off about a 1-inch bubble on the end, fold that over. And then you want to take this fold twist that you have and twist it into two smaller fold twists like that for our tail. Now we're going to take our wheels. You want to come back out and find the midway point of this here. Twist that. Then come from whichever side, it doesn't matter, one of your ear twists. And you want to go take one of your wheels and go completely around the ear twist, locking it in place. And in position, one wheel on either side. Turn them so that they're facing down. There's our wheels. Take and turn your vertical stabilizer, your tail upright like that. Then this last piece that we have left here, take the knot and twist it up and around into there a time or two to secure it. And there's our tail piece to help it stand up. This can even stand on its own, so that you have a very cute little two-balloon airplane with wheels, propeller, and a tail stand.